I have my Luxury Diva box. My name is Robin and this is my channel. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and spending some time with me. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like the content of my channel. Hit that bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, you know, there's no words to thank you for your loyalty to my channel. Don't forget, I have some giveaways going on. I will leave the link below and on top so that you don't forget to enter. But let's get into the box. So this is the June box, and the great thing about Luxury Divas, they come like right at the beginning of the month. So they're just always on top of things. Luxury Divas is an accessory box. So you can count on them for just shaking it up. They put jewelry in there, they put makeup in there, and they put accessories in there. And so you fill out a profile when you first start up with them. So you can put what colors you like, your sizes you like, if you don't like scarves, if you don't like earrings. So they get to know you pretty good. And I think I started like right at the beginning, and this is definitely one subscription that will always be coming to my house. So you open it up, it's got Luxury Divas, and it's got a note card, and I'm not sure if Marina is the only person that works there. I know the owner works there, but this poor girl, her little fingers must be worked to the bone, because she writes a hand card and it says, "Hello, Robin." But I know so many people get this box, so, and she personalizes it towards you, and she's absolutely beautiful. And so she has, the summer months are here. She obviously doesn't know Arizona well enough because the summer months have been here. And it's going to be beautiful. I won't spoil anything about June's box other than it's summer filled in joy. And I know that Marina always puts a goodie in the box. There's some sort of candy. And then she puts everything that's in the box. And if it comes in another color, they let you know. So you can have the option to go back and buy it in every color it comes in. Oh! Look, it's a candy necklace. And for those of you that are young, and I know there's a lot out there, we used to have the drugstores, the candy stores, the corner stores that would sell these for pennies. And so Mom would give us like maybe a quarter, and we can go load up on these, and we get the wax mouths, and we get the little bottles filled with pure sugar. And we used to get these, oh my God, and these are Smarties. And my sister, she's a Smartaholic. She just loves these. So I'm going to put these aside because my sister takes care of Mom, and we haven't been able to go there because of everything that's been going on. And so I have a little bag that I put together for Mom, and I will put this in for my sister. Oh, brings back memories. And then it comes wrapped in tissue. So let's see what the summer. Lots of goodies in there. So I see a mask. Now, I'm a believer that when you go out, you wear a mask. And I even wear a mask like when I'm outside, like if it's a big open area. I wear them like when we go out in the back. And when my daughter, she's so cute, she will, what do you call that, FaceTime? When she goes for walks, because it's like 5 or 6 o'clock her time in Germany, So she's got her little headphones on and she'll walk to the store and she'll call me up and I'll walk with her, and she's got her mask on. She's just so adorable. But we got a mask. This is cute. So we have a mask. Let me look and see how much it is. Hand sanitizer and masks, you can never have too many in the box. So black and gray Heather fashion mask, and it only comes in the gray color, and it's $13. So all of us that get Luxury Divas, we can all hang out together and wear our gray mask. So that is awesome. Okay, this is so exciting. Ooh, I see jewelry and it's silver. I think you can even put what kind of jewelry you like. So, I'm not sure, is it might be a bracelet. Yeah, it's a bracelet. It is Ocean Breeze Seashell and Turtle Silver Tone Bracelet. Seashells, turtles, and starfish dangle from this adorable silver tone. Oh, it's an ankle bracelet. How exciting. Makes for the perfect little accessory for a seaside stroll. And it retails for $17. Oh, I will definitely wear this. Not a whole lot of seaside here, although we did go out on the boat, so I could have worn this on the boat, but when we go to Washington, there's a lot of seaside there. So this is just so cute. The little turtles and such. Awesome. I'm so excited. They put together the best boxes. Of course, there's this big, heavy thing. I'm not sure what it is. Surprises, surprises. Okay. Of course, I didn't bring my scissors. It's clothing. Oh. Oh. It's a dress. It's a size large. Got it backwards. Sorry, I'm just like amazed. I'm gonna have to show you the picture. The whole dress won't even fit in my video. It's a long dress. Wow. I'd have to wear a strapless with this, or you can actually probably wear it over a bathing suit. Wow, this is totally awesome. Okay, black long cami sundress with elastic waist, size large, a spaghetti strap top and blouse bodice enhances the easygoing vibe of this breezy maxi sundress. When quick, easy, and lightweight is what you need, this one will become your go-to. It's available in black, which is what I got, and gray. Retails for $29. And here is the picture. Oh my God, I can't wait to try it on. I think it'll fit, but even just to throw on to wear around the house, oh my God, I'm so excited. That is like so awesome, and I can wear my gray mask. That is awesome. And then we got these solid color pleated 2-pack crisscross headbands. Trying to be both comfortable and stylish in the summer is sometimes hard, but your new headbands let you do both. They're crisscross designed, make it for easy on and off, while their scrunchy back ensures a comfy, snug bed. Okay, these are just awesome. Go with the dress, but when you're walking along the beach or on the boat, and they're very soft. Wow, oh, I didn't tell you how much they were, did I? They are $15. What a great box. They really knocked it out. Oh my God, I'm so excited. And look, there's a lipstick. The new matte is the Demi Matte. This luscious Demi Matte shade is created by Katy Perry. The rich, moisturizing lipstick is infused with shea butter, giving our matte lipstick a soft finish that feels creamy and moist. It's $10, but it's by Katy Perry. Such a movie star. I need my glasses. But the color, all right, I can't open it and I don't want to ruin it. But I hope you can see the color. It's a perfect color. It's a perfect summer color. But I can't open it. I don't know if it's taped. But oh my God, this box is just awesome. And there's one more item. And I don't know if I mentioned, this box is like, I think it's $35. But you can get a 3 month, a 6 months, and 9 months a year. The longer you get it, the more money you get off the box. So I think I did it for 3 months, and then it's only $30 a month. I will leave my link below. This is a box, when I say you must try it, you must try it. And if there's something in here that you don't like, the items make great gifts. They're just, you know, a good standby gift. And one more item. Okay. Oh my goodness. This has, I'm gonna read it to you off the card. I have to take, my box is gonna fall and I don't want my Smarties to break. This pink and gold case has, you travel in style. This set includes a pair of warm fuzzy socks, comb, toothbrush, pen, earphones, tissues, and a sleep mask. That's all in here. So here's the tissues. Here's the warm fuzzy socks. Here's the comb. Here's the sleep mask. Oh, there's a cute little pen. Oh my God, and the toothbrush has a cover. And here's the earphones. Looks like they're for an iPhone. And here's the case to put everything in. Oh my God, this is just, this is so cute. And, oh, little airfit thing. And this retails for $20. So the price of this box retails for $104. And I just have to tell you, this is probably the only box that I get where the retail actually fits the items. I get boxes where they'll put in a piece of jewelry and they'll say it retails for $80. It's like, and no, it doesn't. So this box actually probably undervalues what it is. So I just love this box. It is just, as I said, it has everything. And I can't wait to put on that dress with the ankle bracelet. If it fits, I will attach a picture at the end. If you don't see a picture at the end, it just didn't work out for me. But I will give it a try. So thank you so much for watching my video. Let me know what you thought of this box. If you get this box, let me know what you thought of your box. I think they're pretty much all the same. There wasn't a whole variety of colors, but Luxury Divas, you knocked it out of the park again. So, as always, you guys have an awesome day.